Hi guys, good news for the WRX guys from Subaru. Finally, we've managed to start getting these units in. This is an absolutely cracking piece of kit, and thanks to AudioDirect, that's us guys, we're going to be able to furnish you guys with this. Honestly, it's all singing, all dancing. There's way too many features and functions to go through on this unit. Very briefly, you can connect up a DVR to the front of these things, which is a fun piece of kit when you have something like a Subaru. Of course, the way that the car has its rally pedigree as well. You want to watch movies, press play. You've got 3 USBs that come with this thing, tucked away nicely here. Of course, install, as you can see, perfectly carried out by us guys. It has CarPlay as well. Simply plug in your Apple phone and it will pop up with CarPlay as well. Scroll along, you've of course got not only Bluetooth calling, but you've got A2DP, so music streaming as well. File browser, radio, pretty self-explanatory. Amplifier as well, so you can go through all your different setups, pre-configured loudness, on, off, balance, fader. I think everyone knows what those are for as well. Wheel keys, so all your steering controls work. It's all configured. Audio auto kit, so in case you are connecting up Android units and so on and so forth to Android handsets. Gallery, of course, to watch the pictures. A2DP, music streaming, settings, pretty self-explanatory. App installer if you want to drop new stuff in. And on this particular car, what we've done, because it's got a low front apron, is as soon as you hit AV in, you actually got an image of the front of the car, the roadside right in front of it, so in case you're pulling up to a curb, very handy on these vehicles. Calendar, of course, this is pretty cool, the TPMS. You can configure it, of course, if you've got the Bluetooth TPMS system, which is available as well. Chrome browser, clock. Again, I'm speeding through this because there's just so much to get through. DAB tuner, which unfortunately not always available here in the UAE, but again, something that potentially could be carried along if you're taking the vehicle abroad. Connection for your Android USB or Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Again, it's such a simple, intuitive system. Gmail, Google, GPS info. You can see it's coming through super strong signal on this thing. Press the back button. I don't want to slam my fingers into it because it's a brand new install for the customer. Maps as well, Netflix, Play Store, so many things. Sorry. Anyway, AudioDirect.